CRM, Customer Relationship Management. CRM leverages cutting-edge technology and personal marketing techniques to build customer relationships that increase profit margins and productivity within a company. As a CRM project manager, I am responsible for ensuring a CRM project is managed within controlled but practical frameworks. I proactively manage budget, risks and issues throughout the project lifecycle. I support the project team in achieving project's aims and anticipated benefits, managing the governance structures and ensuring effective decision-making and appropriate sign-off at all relevant stages. I lead the project team throughout the project delivery cycle, working in an agile manner. Develop and manage appropriate project documentation, including plan, risk register, issues log, communications plan. I continuously monitor and report to senior management and project team on the project budget, risks and issues, identifying deviations and their impact. I engage all relevant parties, including key stakeholders, staff and volunteers, and to ensure that they understand and are equipped to deliver their role and commitment to the project. Manage the supply relationships to ensure delivery on budget, on time and to the agreed scope and quality measures. I lead and manage all aspects of specification, configuration, testing and implementation of the system.
With over 5,000 success stories and 30 or more new roles secured each month, our candidates earn as high as £850 per day as digital experts using our innovative eWork experience platform.